Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is academy. 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 Academy typically refers to an institution or organization that provides education, training, or a structured environment for learning and skill development. It can apply to various fields, including education, arts, sciences, and sports. Here are some examples. Example number 1, she enrolled in a prestigious academy to receive specialized training in music. Why academy is used in example number 1. Academy is used to describe an institution that offers music training, emphasizing its reputation and quality. Example number 2, the Academy of Sciences conducts groundbreaking research in various scientific fields. Why academy is used in example number 2. This example uses Academy of Sciences to describe an organization engaged in scientific research, emphasizing its contributions to the field. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.